Okay, my camera setup down. So let's get started. Hey there, curious about wellness, ready to unleash the secrets that will not only chisel your muscle but also elevate your womanhood and financial game. Welcome back to Unhunted, where we are about to dive into the ultimate key to your success. It's about all about your diet, your meal, your food, what you should eat, all sort of thing. I'm voiceover and video shooter of this channel, and today I'm about to drop three important giant point that you have ever get. So let's dive into it. So keep in mind that health mean wealth, health mean relationship, wisdom, or masculinity, all sort of thing, womanhood, all start is what is on your plate, what you eat, all sort of thing is start from there. So number one would be the power of nutrient dense foods. To achieve optimal masculinity and health, the first step is to embrace the power of nutrient dense foods. These are foods packed with vitamin, minerals that fuel your body to peak performance. So if I want to try to clear you more about that, neutral first point is the power of nutrient dense foods. You need to eat those that give you calorie, vitamin. Never eat fucking sugary food. Sugar mean poison. You can eat fat, no problem. That's good, but try to avoid sugary food. Try to add calorie type of food. Milk, eat milk, egg, chicken egg, all sort of egg you eat. Number two is balancing. Never overeating those vitamin type of food. Nothing else. Overdoing is, I would say, overeating is the your against your health. So try to avoid overeating. Do balance to your diet. Number three is the financial fitness through smart diet choices. What the meaning of that? If I want to clear if I want to do clear you that it's mean that you need to plan what you eat this week, this day. You need to plan that, write down on paper. Like this morning, I will eat apple, worms, egg, all sort of thing. And you need to consider that you need to eat green type of food that produce in the land. It's not produced to the from the factory, all sort of thing. So you need to plan for your diet, like um, it's either help you financially to you because neutral food is not so much cost like burger, pizza, all sort of thing. It's never take you money. It's you need to consider, you need to think that it is an investment, it's my health investment, because it's help you. It's never take money from you, it's give you something on your body. It's your body. If you invest money in your meal diet, it's provide you something. Consider where you do invest or spend. Two things, which one you want to choose. This is invest, this is spend. If you want to buy pizza, burger, all sort of fucking fast food, it's your spend. It's weak you, it's your body would be weak. Either your financial would be weak, like your money, this take money from you, this not investment to your body, to your diet. Because of, if you want to like write down on paper, I will never eat this, I will must be eat those type of food, egg, fruits, all sort of thing. If you write down on paper, and if you like never interruption to buy your like good thing that is vital value, calorie, vitamin. Never, like if I want to buy milk, I consider, I said that I usually stay in market and in my entire day. Right now, like 7 pound. I have been doing that 7 for month. So, and I see a lot of people eating, like drinking tea. They usually smoking cigar, like daily they has been eat, daily those are smoker. They smoke cigarette like 2010 cigarette. So if I consider that in my country, five, like I would say BDT currency taka. So 5 taka one cigar. If he or she like smoke like 10 cigar, 5 x 10, 50 taka they spend. And I usually eat one egg, that is chicken egg. I don't it's don't ingredient. Um, I just fill up this egg and eat immediately. So that's it, 15 taka. So it's 15 taka. And I, in the afternoon, I will go to market, to the mug, from a mug, and I take milk from them, just 15 taka. Like 4 divided 1 portion I eat, I buy and eat. 13 taka I spend each day to my diet. That's helped me a lot of, you know. That is better than those people. Those are eating, like eating tea, smoking. This 100, over 100 taka they spend to to eating those type of thing. That's not valuable. So keep in mind, invest in your health. It's not spending. So consider that and write down. It's either help you with financially, it's either help you with health. If you have health, if you have already, you have everything. So see you later in the next video. I'm hoping I will, I'm providing some valuable thing from you. I'm providing something valuable to you. So I'm hoping you stay forever with me. So see you later in the next video. If you are hear me, please write down comment what kind of video you want.